Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming requirements, then act. Install a reputable live wallpaper app. Once done, update GPU drivers and free about 200 MB of space so animations run smoothly. You should pick a wallpaper source inside the app, either Steam Workshop or built-in gallery, and sign in if required. Make sure the app has permission to run on startup. This prevents gaps after reboot. Finally, launch the app and keep it open while you choose your first live wallpaper. You now import or pick a wallpaper. Use built-in galleries or drag a MP4/ web them into the app. Once imported, adjust quality settings to balance visuals and performance, set an FPS cap, enable pause on battery, and choose GPU usage. Then assign the wallpaper to a specific monitor and tweak scale or positioning so it fits 16:9 or ultra-wide screens. If the wallpaper has audio, control volume or mute it. Save the configuration as a profile for quick switching later. Finish by enabling auto start so your live wallpaper loads after reboot. Test by restarting once. Make sure it persists and appears on the correct monitor. If you notice stutter or high CPU, lower the wallpaper resolution, reduce FPS, or disable other overlays like game bars. Also, make sure the live wallpaper app and your GPU drivers are up to date. Updating often resolves compatibility issues. If problems continue, restart the app and, as a last resort,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.